Do you know where it came from in Jiangsu? It has been driven for many kilometers. It has been driven for 1200 kilometers and is ready to come to me for maintenance. Yes, yes, ha ha ha, thank you. How many kilometers does your car run? 160,000. How long has it been driven in a year? It runs 160,000 kilometers in a year. Yes, yes, yes. P version. P version. Renew now. How's the battery life? The battery life is okay. It's about 30 kilometers. The new car costs about 460. In actual running, it should be around 380, so it's pretty good now, right? Because it's much faster when running at high speeds. How do you usually charge it quickly? Do you think Tesla gas cars have advantages over electric cars? Yes? Yes. The advantage of electric cars is that they can save the right amount. How much money do you spend on what you eat now is just the electricity bill? 1.5 yuan. It can be said that if you change the oil 3 times and change the tire oil once, you will save a lot of money. Yes, yes. Will you choose a Tesla next time you change your car? Yes, thank you. We will do some maintenance for him later. Okay. Let's clean the 3 water tanks. Remove the green heart, replace it with a new one, clean the oil pump, put it back and add Tesla-specific gear oil.